Hey everyone! February is the month of love, and what better way to show love than by taking care of our hearts? Here are 5 heart-healthy activities you can do this month. First up, let's get moving with some cardio exercises. Whether it's jogging, cycling, or dancing, getting your heart rate up is a great way to strengthen your heart muscles. Plus, it releases those feel-good endorphins. Next, let's focus on eating right. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. These foods are packed with nutrients that promote heart health and help lower cholesterol levels. Now, let's talk about stress management. Stress can take a toll on our hearts, so it's important to find healthy ways to relax. Try practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or even taking up a hobby that brings you joy. Another heart-healthy activity is getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can increase the risk of heart disease, so aim for those recommended 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Your heart will thank you. Lastly, let's not forget about regular checkups with your doctor. They can monitor your heart health, provide guidance, and catch any potential issues early on. So there you have it, 5 heart-healthy activities for February. Let's show our hearts some love this month and every month. Stay healthy, my friends.